Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello students and welcome to Animal Life Cycles. Animals follow similar stages in their life cycles. They are born, they grow, they reproduce, and they die. So let's begin. We're going to talk first about insects and amphibians. I want you to look closer to this picture. This is an adult butterfly, and this is its baby. It's a larva or a caterpillar. This adult butterfly has 6 legs and 2 wings. This larva, its baby, it has many legs as you can see and no wings. So, do they look similar to each other? Do they look alike? No. They have different features, different body parts, right? Now, look at this adult frog and its baby. This is a tadpole. The adult frog has legs. It breathes with its lungs because it lives on land. And this tadpole lives in water. It means that it breathes with its gills and has a tail, as you can see. This is a tail and no legs. So they look different. They look very different of each other, right? Insects and amphibians, they change forms during their life cycles. They change form. So their babies or their offsprings don't look like their parents. They don't look like their parents. In the other hand, reptiles, birds, and mammals, they have babies that look like their parents. Look at this snake here and its babies. They have the same features and the same body parts. Birds too, they have beaks, they have feathers, they have 2 legs, they have wings, they have the same body parts. Mammals too, look at this sheep and its baby. They have the same features and the same body parts. So they have offspring or babies that look like their parents. They look like their parents. Okay, now let's begin with the first life cycle. It's the life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies, like all insects, they lay eggs. They lay eggs. This is the butterfly egg. So an adult butterfly lays its eggs on leaves. Larva or a caterpillar hatches from the egg, and as you can see, it's very hungry. It eats the leaf. It eats the leaf. Look at it. Now the caterpillar or the larva becomes a pupa and makes a case. This case is called chrysalis. Now what happens here? An adult butterfly comes out of the chrysalis or emerges from the chrysalis. Adult butterfly means it's fully grown and it can reproduce. Now look closer. This butterfly, look, this is an egg. It lays eggs on leaves. Look. Okay? So, egg, a larva or a caterpillar, pupa, and this case is chrysalis, then an adult butterfly, fully grown, and it can reproduce. Look at this short video. It's fast, right? Okay, so an adult butterfly lays its eggs on leaves, so egg. Larva hatches from this egg. A pupa and this case is chrysalis, and this is an adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Label each stage in the life cycle of butterfly on the picture. First, we're going to begin with the egg, a larva or a caterpillar, your choice, pupa, and this case is chrysalis, then adult butterfly. Okay, moving on to life cycle of a frog. As you know, frog is an example of amphibians, right? Now, like insects, amphibians, such as frogs, change form during their life cycles. After a frog hatches from its egg, look, this is a female adult, an adult female frog, It lays its eggs on water. As you can see, these are its eggs. These are tadpoles. They hatch from the eggs. This is a closer picture for a tadpole. They live in water. They have gills, tails, as you can see. Now, the tadpole becomes a young frog with legs and tail. Then it will grow into an adult frog. It has no tail and it breathes with lungs. This adult frog can reproduce. It's fully grown and it can reproduce again. This is the life cycle of a frog. It begins with egg, tadpole, young frog, adult frog. See, the adult frog doesn't look like the tadpole. Now, life cycle of a snake. As you know, a snake is a reptile. It's a reptile. They lay eggs. A female adult snake lays eggs on the ground, as you can see. Hatching baby snakes. These are baby snakes. They are hatching from these eggs. A baby snake grows bigger and stronger. This is a young snake. And finally, it will become into an adult snake. Adult snake, fully grown, and it can reproduce. Again, egg, baby snake, young snake, adult snake. Now, the life cycle of an eagle. Eagle is a bird. The eagle is a bird. So, birds lay eggs, just like insects, amphibians, and reptiles. They all lay eggs. Now, birds, as we said, they have traits similar to their parents. Their babies or their offsprings, they look like their parents. Let's see. A female eagle lays eggs. As you can see, they build nests. An eagle chick breaks through the egg. That's called hatching. He's in shock, right? So this is a young eagle. Young eagle, it grows bigger and gets more feathers as it develops. It will continue to grow into an adult eagle, and it can reproduce. So, the life cycle of an eagle begins with egg, chick, young eagle, and adult eagle. Now, we're going to talk about the life cycle of a sheep. A sheep is a mammal. Now, the offspring of mammals, they grow and develop inside the bodies of adult females. What's the meaning of offspring? It means they are the living things that result when an animal produces. It means the animal's babies. Animals, babies. Their offsprings. Offspring. عفوا. Now, baby grows inside the mother, where it is completely reliant on the mother. This is a newborn. A mother sheep gives birth to its babies or offspring. They produce milk and they breastfeed their babies. Look at this picture here. This sheep is breastfeeding its baby. Now it's a young sheep. It grows and develops into an adult. So, a baby or a newborn, it drinks milk from its mother. It grows and develops into a young sheep. Then it will become an adult, fully grown, and it can reproduce. That was an easy lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time, inshallah.